Hi guys, I'm Navonita. Welcome to my channel Foodies Fad. If you want to bribe me ever, then sweet treats are your best bargains. Cakes to be specific. There is something magical about home baked goods. The whole house smells and feels festive with or without any actual fiesta, right? How about a vanilla cake and cheesecake combo in 2 ways? 4 in 1. Amazing, right? Presenting citrus yogurt cake with cream cheese and fruit filling. Let's get started, guys.
A luxuriously ultra soft, moist, tarty loaf cake that tastes absolutely brilliant on its own is made decadent with cream cheese and seasonal fruit filling. As you take a bite, you taste the sweet and spicy contrast flavors with two different fillings, giving the cake a unique flavor and texture. Weigh your ingredients preferably on a kitchen scale for perfect baking goods. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. Measure properly. When measuring flour, use the spoon and level method. Instead of scooping the flour out of the container, use the back of a knife to level off the top of the measuring cup. Every ingredient should be at room temperature. Yogurt makes the cake super moist, and its acidity helps to activate the leavening agents, making it fluffier and lighter. Instead of full fat, you can use sour cream or low fat yogurt. Don't overmix, don't undermix. It's all about finding the right balance. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. Scrape the bottom and sides of the mixing bowl to ensure that there are no hidden flour pockets and everything is well combined. Prepare pans. Grease, line and flour the pan. Line the bottoms of your pan with parchment paper. Don't open the oven frequently as the drastic temperature change causes the rising cake to sink. For the doneness test, stick a toothpick in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, it is perfectly baked. After taking out the cake from the oven, let it cool on a wire rack to avoid soggy edges for at least 10 minutes. Never frost or cut a cake that isn't completely cooled down. The process of adding sugar to fruits and letting it steep over time is called maceration, that intensifies its natural sweetness and flavor. You can use whipped cream instead of cream cheese. Use seasonal fruits that are readily available. You can use other berries of different colors and interesting textures. Don't forget, baking can be so much fun. Be careful while cutting the border. If it's too thin, then it will not be able to hold the cream cheese filling. Place the cake on a plate before filling to make the transfer to the refrigerator easier. Once the filling sets in, it will hold shape. Plain vanilla cakes are very popular in my home. While growing up, I have vivid memories of bargaining with my sister over the last slice of homemade sponge cake with cashews and raisins baked by my aunt, Pishi, using very simple ingredients in her well-trusted conventional round oven. She still uses the same recipe and the same oven style to make the most incredible cakes. I bake too, but I can never match up to that level of deliciousness. I guess mothers and aunts always add that one extra ingredient, right? That makes all the difference. Selfless love for us. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. This is to ensure that the two different fruit fillings don't mix with each other and retain their individual flavor and character. You can make a thick layer of crumbs if you want. Be creative and decorate the cake the way you like. You can switch the spices or add-ons and make it your own creation. This is an important step to keep the crumbs in place. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.